How's it going, everybody? Thomas with Wood Vendors here, still at the mill. Deciding to show you guys how we make a crate for a finished table and how we pack up just a regular rough slab. So starting with the rough slab, it's pretty simple. Just like everything, all of our packing, we build a custom made pallet for it, get some 2x4s, saw them up to the size of your slab, nail it down, and make a pretty nice bed for it. So pretty simple. Just like our sandwich packing, we got these bands right here. They get heat wrapped, heat treated, so they're all secured. We weave it through the pallet so that everything is tight and put together. This is too heavy for me to pick up, but if I shake it a lot, that's not coming off. It does look a little crazy just to throw a slab on a pallet and ship it, but these are rough slabs. It's gonna have millwork done. Whenever we make a finished table, sometimes you lose up to a ½ an inch of material. So any imperfections or scratches that might happen along the way, you mill them out, don't have to worry about it. But that's a rough slab, nice and easy, free packing if you buy a rough slab, no big deal. Right here, we got our crate. It is beefy. We do a real good job protecting these because it's a finished tabletop. If anything happens, it's not a good scenario. So we do a real good job wrapping these up, crating them, and making sure everything's secure. Just like our other slabs and other packaging, we got our bed for it out of 2x4s, make a custom pallet. Inside, we do the same type of wrapping as we would a flattened slab. We got our styrofoam wrap material, we got our cling wrap it all up, make it nice and pretty, and then we put it inside the crate. Inside the crate, inside this one, we got an 8-foot walnut book match, and then we also have a 5-foot round of black gum. Both of those are finished completely, so we just need to make sure they get there safely. Inside, we got some 2x4s to brace everything so it's not wiggling around and moving. After we brace everything, we take this 3/4 inch plywood, not the ½ inch that we use for our sandwiching and our flattened stuff. This is good, strong 3/4 inch plywood. All 4 sides around it are totally packaged up, crated, so it's very secure. The one thing you gotta know, we use star bits. So star bits, if you're a homeowner, make sure you have some. Whenever we've unloaded these at a residence, I just hop in a truck, drill out all the screws with my star bit, and then you can normally unload the tabletops by hand, one at a time. If you're a commercial guy, just grab a forklift and you can slide it right out with the pallet. But that's how we do everything. We've been packaging these slabs like this for more than 10 years, and it's very rare we have any problems with it. It is shipping though. We use LTL companies most of the time, and anything can happen with LTL. So that's why we do our best to make sure nothing can happen. But if anything does happen, don't sign the BOL. Write everything that was wrong with it and give us a call immediately. We'll be there to help. We'll be there to talk to the freight company and make sure everything turns out right. But yeah, those are our 3 packagings. We got our rough slab on a pallet. Check out our other video for the sandwiching packing for a flattened slab. And then finally, when you get a nice beefy tabletop from us, you get a nice beefy crate to go with it. So thanks, everybody. Go to woodvendors.com, check out all these slabs, and let us know what you want. We're here to help. Have a great day.